Okay, so what I have here is a bunch of these tools and a bunch of these batteries. Now, all these nickel metal hydride batteries for the DeWALT are all good, but they're all getting on along now, and yeah, it's almost not worth replacing them. So what I want to do is use these nice lithium battery packs with these DeWALT tools. Now, there's heaps of tutorials on how to go the other way and use the new DeWALT packs on the RYOBI stuff, but I couldn't find anything to use the new batteries with the old DeWALT tools. So what I'm going to do today is make an adapter to use this battery on this tool. Now, this drill sort of met its demise not too long ago. I think I slightly overloaded it. So I'm going to be opening this up today, and I'm going to be using this as my socket, and this is my adapter. Start by just opening this battery up. And here we have all the nickel metal hydride cells in here. There's one right on the end there that I'm going to have to cut off. It's pretty clear which is the positive and which is the negative. So I'll just meter those out and make sure that it's all correct. And yeah, then I'll put it together. Okay, this guy is going to be thermal overload protection. It's nothing to really be too concerned about. We won't use that. So I just have to solder a wire to here, and then probably solder a longer wire to here. So the next part is getting this old drill. I'm going to pull it apart and so take it apart, cut this off, and then I'll have to work on molding it into this part. Okay, you can see from here I'll be able to take it back up to here, so at least I know where I can safely cut. Now all I have to do is make this fit up inside here. Now this is the back. That's where the battery post is. If I was to put it that way, it would, yeah, maybe fit. Probably put it into there and they would come pretty close, so that's what I'm gonna have a go at. pretty terrible tool for this. And that's the shape I want. So once you've got this to a bit of an oval, this piece, cut, slide it straight in there. Pretty low profile. Now what I've done is drill a couple of holes. They go through onto this side. I'm just going to put 2 bolts through to hold it together. And I'll just do the wiring and should be good. These nuts here are in place to space it down. And there, then I'll put a locking bolt in and a nut from the other side, and then we'll hold it all rigid. Okay, so when we've got this, the next part is getting these plug ends into here. And what I've done is drill a hole on this side, a hole on that side. That's so that when I put hot glue in there, it should come out the side and give it something to have a bit of traction against. So, this into here. Now, got our hot snot ready. Okay, so once that glue's set, what I have to do is screw it back together. Trim these bits off here. Once we got it back together, it's pretty light, weighs probably like 150 grams. So this end should go into DeWALT, and then get this battery. Woohoo!